During this video segment, I will show you how you can share a deep hope and storyline with another teacher in your school. So for instance, I'm currently logged in as Sandra, and she actually teaches that course with another teacher. And so that teacher would like to, another fourth grade teacher would like to share that storyline. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the fourth grade storyline. And if I go to edit mode, at the bottom, you'll notice it says allow other teachers to attach to this depot and storyline to their courses. So I'm going to go ahead and find a teacher. I remember it was Hilton. So let me come here, Kristen Hilton. And you could add others as well if you wanted to. And I'll go ahead and click save. So now if I log in as Kristen Hilton instead, so let me do that a moment. Notice it's Sandra Bundy. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and log in as Kristen instead. So now I'm logged in as Kristen Hilton. And notice in the Deep Hope and Storylines area, we still don't see that storyline from Sandra. But if we click Edit and click on the drop down, notice that it has this particular storyline provided by Sandra. And the reason why it's not showing yet is I need to attach it to my courses. So I'm going to actually attach it to several of my fourth grade courses, math, science, and social studies, and I'll go ahead and click save. So now if I come back here once again, and I did make one more mistake. So it's good to learn mistakes. Notice I also have to make it active for those. So I attach it to the course, yes, but I need to make it active. And there's another video that talks about what it means active versus inactive, deep hopes and storylines. So let me go back to home now, and I should finally see it. So notice I can click on that, and I can see the same video that she uploaded, that Sandra uploaded, as well as the pictures. So has the deep hope, the storyline, as well as the artifacts and images that go along with this storyline. Notice that this teacher has the ability to edit what course it's attached to, but not the deep hope and storyline itself. And this teacher doesn't have the ability to add pictures and videos. Only one teacher can do that. And that's because we really don't want Kristen to delete a video or a picture that Sandra added and so forth. We don't want teachers to step on each other's toes. So typically one of the teacher accounts will be the main one for editing the storyline in Deep Hope, but then the other teachers then can have it available in for their courses. The other thing that this does is now if this teacher goes to, for instance, the curriculum map for science, notice it will have that deep hope, that storyline, and have this link for view videos and images that go along with it. So this now concludes this video segment.